they didn't last long. Our last video here was when these were fitted. Time is 09:25. This will be, whatever its name is, the 0938 locomotive services train from Potters Bar to Scarborough. Not expected for about 9 minutes, but he is already outside of Newark. Here we are. Time is now 09:31. This will be the 09:34 LNER resumer from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. Likely also the 0938 LNER Azuma from Leeds to London King's Cross, which is short formed. Then after that we've got a Paragon pair. Which incidentally will be the third pairing run to have been in service. There was a pair out yesterday doing the 2 runs. Another pair doing the 2 today. According to what's been shown on the screens at Retford with the Paragon, it's first class at the very front and in the centre of the train. See if I bring up the diagram. First class very front and towards the centre. All the Lincolns are cancelled because the train crew have been pinged by that stupid application. What would be the parliamentary train via Brigg? None of them are running. There's no trains to Gainsborough Central whatsoever today, but there is replacement buses from Cleethorpes. So it's literally change at Gainsborough Central for connecting services to nowhere. And you've not got a Retford connection off of Gainsborough at Lee Road either, because they're missing. I mean, you wonder why the health service was right telling people not to use the application in the first place. We have no hospitals open at this point. Train past Carlton. Fasteroute 1210. So next is 1 Alpha 18. Right, so this was sent to me last night from Sheffield Crew Depot, and there is a record 207 missing services because of train crew isolating. When you think of how many's overall, which that total I don't know, it's a fair portion. Like I say, with most, there's no alternative transport like the Briggs, which are bused for Cleethorpes to Gainsborough because of engine block at New Clee. There's nothing to connect with to go forward. Unless you take the infrequent East Midlands Railway from Lee Road, connect via Doncaster for Sheffield, and then back round again for Retford. Otherwise, there's just nothing at all. like the list of services that are missing is the Bag Hill train, the Durn services, Limited Huddersfield and Doncaster. It's not gone very well. That's most of Sheffield crew missing. Also after this, the Paragon pair just arrived at Retford now. They're going to struggle to fit that thing at Howden, unless they're not calling. They can only take 4. There's your 1106. Time is 09:44. This will be the 09:52 LNER resumer from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. The 09:47 Hull Trains Paragon pair from Hull to London King's Cross. Let's see what we get from that. Paragon's at Egmonton, Sierra 08 on York platform. Leeds train just back at Peacecliff, so we might get slightest bit of uptime in between. Right, because of an accident in a depot, the Art of Wales rail tour today, which goes wherever the fuck he's starting. Where is he? Preston to Cardiff Central, then Cardiff Central back to Preston via Llandrindod, Wales. Has got one of the newly repainted power cars from the Staycation Express, because one of the blue units was damaged in a depot after crashing with a Mark II carriage. So that's the bloody SLS Pullman today. It's green and blue, and quite frankly a little bit poo. Trying to see the signal at Bartley, but I can't from this end. Right, 1SCOH just left New York platform, 1 Alpha 92 Paragon pair approaching Carlton. Yeah, just the 2 hull diagrams that are additionally formed today. Alpha 92 and I think Hotel 03. Right, we could get bold, but let's hope for the best, not the worst. Not a good angle either way, really. Where's Yep, we're going to also be waiting for the 0955 LNER service from London King's Cross to Leeds. There's bugs around here. Oh yeah, I don't know if this is going to work. Listen out for a tone from Bartley direction, that's where that whistle board is. We're down long enough though for 2 trains, 24.5 minutes. Oh shit cakes. So here's a 9 car, a Zoomer. And there's the Paragon pair. Fuck knows which they were though. Right, next is the 91 just approaching Newark platform. DL. Next and last train just past the flat crossing a couple of minutes away. So you know, we'll get the last shot where we got the first shot. Over here. Right, it's just over at Bartley now then. This will be the Skyfall unit, apparently. #9107.